Guru Nation, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. This is going to be a short one. It's somebody who asked me on LinkedIn. Anybody can find me on all social networks. Just look underneath. And by the way, while you're at it, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Really helps me out a lot with the algorithm. If you don't know what to comment, robot emoji's fine. It lets us know, hey, we know it's an algorithm, but we're here to promote clinical research to the masses. So I got asked a question from somebody who's an MD, but also a CRA. So this could apply for international medical graduates in the US or abroad or really anywhere. It doesn't matter. This MD is a CRA full-time. They are also a sub-investigator at a site, obviously with a different company, working on different indications. They are asking if this is okay. Now, this is a loaded question. There's a couple things here. There's the moral issue. I'm gonna let you be the judge for that. There's no way I'm gonna get on a soapbox and preach what I think is right versus immoral. That's not for me. That's for you. Everybody has a North Star. There's the state and federal, and then there's the company, the organization policies. So every state in the United States is different. You gotta check. If you are getting paid hourly as a CRA, obviously you gotta make sure that those are not the hours that you are also working as a sub-investigator. If you are getting paid a salary, check with an employment attorney, but usually you're paid for completing a task regardless of how many hours you spend. So you can argue that you can function in both capacities. Now that doesn't mean that your company's gonna be okay with it. So here's the thing. Even if it's different indications, research as big as it is, it's a small world. So if it's the same CRO or the same sponsor and they see you as a sub-investigator, sub-investigators are important. CROs and sponsors look at them. A lot of your stuff's gonna be in the trial master file. And somebody might recognize you, and that's all it's gonna take is for somebody to recognize you, and then you got some explaining to do. Now, with all that being said, many times sub-investigators are added to 1572 forms by sites, just in case. We just need an extra person. This is a backup. You might never do anything, but just in case, you're listed as a sub-investigator. In case of emergency, break glass, one of those kind of things. So like that, you have to go back to, can you actually do your jobs, both your jobs well? And is it okay by your company, and is it okay in the state that you're at? Usually the federal and state levels don't matter. They give the freedom to the employee to make their own decisions, but the company can do whatever they want. And then what's right or wrong is for you to decide. I personally don't think it's wrong. I think everybody needs to do whatever they want to do in this industry to reach their goals, accomplish their goals. So I think it's great that you're getting this experience on your CV, honestly. But I'd be concerned about your company, because the CROs, there's only like 5 big ones, and they control like 80% of the studies out there. So it doesn't take much for you to get one of those studies at the site that you're a sub-I for, that your CRO is managing, even if it's a different indication, a different team. There is going to be some overlap. Somebody might recognize you. Happens a lot. You wouldn't be the first person this happened to. Can you do it? Yes. And there's many scenarios where you can actually pull this off effectively and do both jobs well. Is it the smartest thing to do for your career? I don't know. I think long term it does help you become more of a generalist and gives you more experience in other positions. But does it help you short term with your company? It's potentially dangerous. Be careful. Guru Nation, let me know in the comments what you think. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.